Animation doesn't have to be complicated, and in this video, we're going to demystify Adobe Animate and get your animation journey started. First things first, open Adobe Animate and create a new document. Choose your canvas size. Usually, a basic HD setting is a great starting point. Now, let's draw something. Using the shape tools or the brush, create a simple object on what's known as the stage. This is where your animation will happen. We'll start with a basic circle. Next, let's familiarize ourselves with the timeline. Notice the layers and frames here at the bottom. Layers are like transparent sheets, allowing you to organize different elements of your animation separately. Frames are essentially the individual pictures that, when played in sequence, create the illusion of movement. Let's introduce movement using motion tweening. On frame 1, position your circle. Go a little further down the timeline, let's say frame 24 or 1 second, and add a new keyframe. In the new keyframe, reposition your circle somewhere else on the stage. Now, right-click in the gray space between the keyframes and select Create Classic Tween. Watch how the animation is automatically created as the circle moves smoothly from its starting position to its new one. Now, let's try frame by frame animation. Create a new layer on frame 1 of the new layer. Draw a simple shape again, then click the next frame and draw a slightly altered version of that shape. Repeat this process frame by frame, changing your shape a little each time. Each change creates a single frame of animation. When you play it back, it will look like you're drawing slowly moves, breathes, or jumps. Motion tweening is perfect for smooth transitions, while frame by frame animation gives you greater control over every phase of a movement. Adobe Animate is a robust program with endless creative possibilities. Just by understanding these fundamental features such as keyframes, motion tweens, and frame by frame animation will set you up to create your own fun projects.